All right, so back out in the workshop. I really wasn't planning on buying this tool, but I was watching a video from a guy whose channel is called The Den of Tools. He has like this cartoon bear that talks thing. But anyway, he basically said that if you're in the M12 line of tools and you don't buy this, then you're an idiot or something to that effect, because the price for this is $69, and it comes with a hex screwdriver kit. So it has the hex screwdriver and then 2 batteries. And I looked at this a few weeks ago and I didn't buy it. I went with the Bosch instead, because the Bosch is 265 inch-pounds, and I think it goes up to 1400 RPM or something like that. And this one here is only 175 inch-pounds. Probably can't really read that. And 500 RPM. And this comes with the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries. And the Bosch comes with 2 amp hour batteries, and they're both the same price. Actually, when I was looking at this 3 weeks ago, it was $79. But I watched that video, and I have some other M12 tools now, and just the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries are $69 right now on sale. And like I said, this whole kit was $69. So you're kind of getting a charger and the screwdriver for free if you want the batteries. I don't know. Still not sure what I'm keeping here or what I'm doing exactly, but really all I wanted was a small, compact hex screwdriver for doing things like pocket holes and assembling furniture around the house, pocket screws into pocket holes, because my drill driver is huge. I'll get that over here in a minute. So I don't know. I may end up returning everything. Maybe not. So, like I said, it comes with the 2 1.5 amp hour batteries, and I like how it has these Velcro straps here, so there's a place for everything. The Bosch, it's just a bag, and everything gets thrown in there. Not a bag; it's a zippered case like this, but it doesn't have the Velcro in it. So, yeah. 1.5 amp hours, and I still have the installation driver right here. And that has the 2 amp hour batteries. So they're exactly the same size. Just has bigger cells, I guess. I'm not exactly sure how that works. So anyway, let's throw this into the drill driver. I guess not a drill driver, a hex driver. And this should have the quick chuck, so I can just take this bit and throw it in here. Yep, and it is locked in place. I don't have to pull the collet to push it in. So that's a nice feature. And the Bosch has that as well, at least on the hex driver. That sounds weird. So this is brushed, and then the other M12 stuff I have. Not sure if I'm going to keep it, but the M12 drill driver is brushless, and then I have a hammer drill and an impact driver that are also fuel, so those are also brushless. This is brushed, which is why it's only 175 inch-pounds, and then the brushless version of this is, I think, 325 inch-pounds. But like I said, I'm just going to use this for stuff around the house, you know, assembling furniture, IKEA, whatever. maybe changing out switch plates, changing out outlets, that kind of stuff. Just simple stuff around the house. And also, I'm kind of into the RC hobby a little bit, so I want to get some long hex bits, and I'll use this instead of, I bought this cheap screwdriver off of Amazon. So, but yeah, it's kind of weird not having speed selector on here. But it's nice to have a light. Yeah, this really slow. So anything that I would use just a hand screwdriver for, I'm going to plan on using this for. And this really slow. 500 revolutions per minute though. So anyway, let me bring over my other drill driver just for comparison. So this is what I've been using for the past 10 years or so. Quite a size difference. And like I mentioned before, I ran into an issue where this is actually too long for, it was almost too long. It's just too big. So 9 1/4, I guess, and this one here is supposed to be 6 1/2. Let's just verify that real quick. Yeah, it's slightly over 6 1/2. Maybe not. Depends on your viewing angle here, I guess, but I got about 6 1/2. So 6 1/2 versus 9 1/4, I think I said, so almost 3 inches shorter. So, yeah, just a quick unboxing. This doesn't feel too bad in the hand. Also does have the battery life indicator, which the Bosch does not. And this has a pocket clip, which the Bosch does not have. But these batteries, yeah, that wasn't too bad. I was struggling getting these in and out on the installation driver. Or maybe it was on the drill, the hammer drill. Yeah, that's not too bad, really. And these are brand new batteries, so it should be a little stiffer and not worn in yet. Alright, I think that'll do it. As always, thank you for watching. Thank you for taking the time. And I'll catch you on the next video.